Hi, first grade families and boys and girls. I'm excited for our short week. We have Monday off due to President's Day. So we're going to go on with our learning starting on Tuesday. So on our page here, if you hit the welcome banner, that's going to take your first grader to a little video for kids about President's Day. It's really good. So I hope you can touch on that. And you can always touch on the flag for patriotic books. Also, you notice we have a little dog here. This is the dog Willie from the Ezra Jack Keats books, like Whistle for Willie. He's kind of in all the books, Peter's Chair. And if you touch on that, you're going to get a virtual library to all of the Ezra Jack Keats books. So I'll show you. Yeah, so we have a lot. These are all so good. Pictures are so good. So you can get to it this way. I'll also send it out separately as an activity in the light bulb. Also, we have our weekly overviews. Just like always, we're going on with our OG. We are practicing on all of the silent E long vowels. So we're going to keep on going that. And I kind of reinforce that by the fluency practice. So you'll notice in the little books that they read, and I usually have them do some kind of a color sort, that always influences what we're doing in OG, reinforces, I should say. So it's always important, though, if you have to make a choice on what to do, OG should be number one. That is our main curriculum, OG. Everything else is to support that. OG and math are the main curriculum. So anything else is extra practice. And language, it supports OG. Everything revolves around OG and our reading. So OG should be number one. And if you had to pick between what you're short on time, OG needs to be done first. We also have our handwriting math. We're doing a lot of number sense. So it's a lot of building the number with ones and tens, looking at that number and being able to decide what's bigger, what's less, greater than, less than, ordering the numbers. Kids can be really good at math facts and be good in math in a lot of ways, but going over these might look easy, but sometimes we discover they need extra practice in putting numbers in order and understanding why a number is bigger than another number. So a lot of number sense practice this week. Like I said, our weekly story, we're doing Ezra Jack Keats books. We're taking a time out on the story that goes with our reading series. However, if you do touch on the book, you'll see the next story. It's a food story, and I went ahead and put that in there. But we're kind of taking a time out so we get to focus on our Ezra Jack Keats books. Our writing goes along with our Ezra Jack Keats. So Ezra Jack Keats brings in some social emotional learning about perseverance, teamwork, friendship, compassion. So we're bringing some of those ideas in, some things that kids deal with in a kid way with Ezra Jack Keats books. So, and that's for our science social studies. So if you have any questions, let me know. Remember, Lexia and Zern, that's something that they can do for extra learning if they get done. I would rather have them do some Lexia time instead of just a regular video game. So you can always have your child do that. And, we've been e-learning for a while, so maybe set a schedule. Let's see how much we get done. Work from a certain time, an hour, and see what you get done. And then work for a little bit more and see what you get done. If you have to go to work and your first grader is with grandma or a babysitter, your first grader can do a lot on their own, and then you can always check it when you get home. On OG, it's all they have to do is follow the slides, and they should be hitting every slide, and they know exactly what to do. When they get to the writing part, they're just kind of going along with me and following me. So that's something that they don't have to do with you right there. If you have any questions about this week, let me know. And I hope you enjoy. I left the snowman here since we're getting lots of snow. You can still read some snowman books, and I hope you enjoy the Ezra Jack Keats books.